This Century 21 United Property video is presented by Grace Burke. Cozy 3 Halves Cottage on .91 acre tree studded lot in West Monroe. Well maintained and cared for. Extra large utility room. Workshop. Extra new car cover for camper, etc. Some furniture to stay with sale. Information regarding measurements, room sizes, lot sizes etc. provided for this listing is deemed reliable, but not guaranteed. Should qualify for rural development loan. Call agent for all showing. For more information, review the details below.